Hey everybody. I am here today to explain to you what we're doing. We're just reviewing the two things we've done so far and putting them together. So in the worksheet, you will see your first problem is negative 60x to the 7th plus 42x squared plus 42x. You're going to factor out the greatest common factor. So I'm going to go with 6. Negative 6. And then they all have an x, so I can put an x in there. Now I'm going to draw my parentheses and divide each of these by negative 6x. And I chose negative 6 because it started with a negative, and I don't want it to start with a negative. So negative 60 divided by negative 6 is 10. And then 7 minus 1 is 6, so x to the 6th. 42 divided by negative 6 is negative 7. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we have x to the 1st. 42 divided by negative 6 is negative 7, and the x's cancel. And I'm looking at that, and there's no common factors, so I chose the largest common factor. All right, so let's see. Let's move down. I'm not fabulous with Cami. Give me a sec here. Okay, there we go. Factor each trinomial using the diamond method. So this is what we did yesterday. If you had trouble watching that video from yesterday, please go back to that assignment. I posted a new video. But quick and easy, what you're going to do, draw your diamond. Boom. Remember, it's going to multiply to the top one and add up to the bottom one. So we have C on top and B on the bottom. Remember, this is A, this is B, and this is C. You have the attic times the ceiling on the top and the basement on the bottom. But this time our attic is 1, so it doesn't matter. For all of these, that's the case. Now, to find our factors, they have to multiply to 18 and add up to 11. Factors of 18 that add up to 11. And that's 9 and 2. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 plus 2 is 11. Once you've got that, these are the two you're going to use. You'll just do n plus 9, n plus 2. And that is your answer. Easy peasy. Last but not least, down here, you're going to do both. You're going to factor out the greatest common factor. Then you'll have a trinomial left over, and you're going to factor that. So for this first one, the greatest common factor is 2. So factor out your 2. Okay, 2x squared divided by 2 is just x squared. Negative 14x is negative 7x minus 8. Now I have a trinomial, so I'm going to make my diamond. The negative 8 goes at the top. Make sure that negative gets in there. The negative 7. So we want factors of negative 8 that add up to negative 7. Although because of this negative sign right here, let's see, because of this negative sign right here, it's actually going to be subtraction. Factors of negative 8 that subtract to negative 7. So we have 1 minus 8. 1 times negative 8 is negative 8. 1 minus 8 is negative 7. So I'm going to write the whole thing again. And remember, it doesn't matter which order you put the two sets of parentheses in. If you put x minus 8 first and x plus 1 after that, that is totally fine. Which one? It does have to be negative 8 and positive 1, though, not the other way around. I'm going to do one more of these at least because these are new. Okay, factor out your greatest common factor. What is my greatest common factor here? It's 3. Okay, so I'm going to write my 3. Divide everything by 3. N squared minus 12n plus 20. Now make your diamond. Factors of 20 that add up to negative 12. Well, let's see. I could look up 20 on my factor chart if I needed to, but I think I can manage negative 2 and negative 10. Negative 2 times negative 10 is positive 20. Add them together, you get negative 12. So your final answer is 3 times n minus 2 times n minus 10. All right, it is Joke Friday, and I've got a joke for you. What kind of music do planets like? Neptunes. I know you missed me. I think I'll be back on Monday. Talk to you later. Bye.